Hey everyone, welcome to Nutriology. In today's video, we will be talking about the top 5 healthy foods that you should have for breakfast. Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day as it provides us with the energy we need to kickstart our day. So without further ado, let's get started. The first food on our list is oats. Oats are a great source of fiber which makes you feel full for a longer time. They also contain protein, vitamins and minerals such as manganese, phosphorus, magnesium and zinc. Oats are easy to prepare and can be combined with a variety of fruits, nuts and seeds to create a delicious and healthy breakfast bowl. Greek yogurt is another great option for breakfast. It is high in protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscles. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, which are good for your gut health. You can combine it with fruits and nuts to make a healthy and satisfying breakfast. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and healthy fats. They contain choline, which is important for brain health, and lutein and zeaxanthin, which are good for your eyes. Eggs in many ways, such as scrambled, boiled, or poached. Berries are an excellent source of antioxidants which protect your cells from damage. They also contain fiber, vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, potassium and folate. You can add berries to your oats or yogurt or make a smoothie with them. Last but not least, we have avocado. Avocado is a good source of healthy fats and fiber. It also contains potassium, which is important for regulating blood pressure. You can spread avocado on toast or make an avocado smoothie. So there you have it, our top 5 healthy foods for breakfast. Remember, a healthy breakfast is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Incorporate these foods into your breakfast routine and see the difference in your energy levels and overall health. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. See you in the next one. Toodles!